Hello and welcome to another Quattro Tech Cars video. Today we have this immaculate 66 plate Audi Q5 S-Line Plus. It's one of the sort of final run out special editions, so it comes fully loaded with a huge amount of optional extras, all of which we'll go through. It's just a one owner vehicle and it's the 2-litre diesel 190 PS with the S-tronic automatic gearbox. Okay, so here we are around at the boot of the Q5. We've got a 60-40 split in the rear seats with two Isofix child anchor points. There's also a pull lever on either side of the boot if you need to pull the rear seats down and put them forward when you actually get to the vehicle, so you can do that manually from here, which is really useful. There's a 12-volt power socket, a couple of luggage nets just here, and then just in this small compartment here we've got some various electrical items in terms of amplifiers and fuse boxes for the Bang & Olufsen sound system, more of which we'll talk about a bit later on. And then we've got the tyre inflation kit just there as well with the electrical compressor. Just underneath the boot floor there's the amplifier for the B&O sound system. And this small hatch just here, where are we? Just underneath here, there is the battery and toolkit with the lock and wheel nut. So all very well laid out, saving a huge amount of space. Just put the boot back. There, the boot just folds into position, just there, and clips down. So really well hidden bits, all making the load space as practical as possible. It's a nice flat load space as well, enabling you to get numerous items in. And then as part of the spec of this car, we've also got an electric tailgate as well, which I have to admit is incredibly useful and a really nice touch. We'll go around some more of the exterior features after we've gone through the interior, but again we've got Alcantara door cards with the extremely stylish and premium looking piano black inlays. As part of the B&O system there are 10 speakers throughout the car, including tweeters at the front, which I'll show you in just a second. Various controls for putting the seats forward and folding them down. Full leather interior. As you can see, it is absolutely immaculate. And we also get a good view here of the sliding panoramic sunroof as well. There's also an electronic blind which can come part way across or all the way across or anything in between from that as well. Round at the front we've got the piano black and Alcantara door card inserts again. There's a boot release catch as well with the electronic tailgate. Heated and folding electronic mirrors and more B&O speakers just there. And then we've got manually adjustable seats but with electric lumbar. Really comfortable for long journeys. And this has the fine Napa leather, just to be specific. So it's really supple. And here are the tweeters as part of the doors as well. The sound system is fantastic in these things. We've got automatic xenon headlights with daytime running lights. And along with that you get light and rain sensors. So the wipers are also automatic. And along with that same package, you get the auto dimming rear view mirror as well. First thing you notice on the steering wheel are probably the paddles at the back. They come along with the S-tronic gearbox. It's a double clutch system, very standard in the industry and Audi specifically, and it works incredibly well. It's a multifunctional steering wheel as well to control the trip computer. And then you've also got cruise control just down there as well. Coming on to the central navigation unit, the screen is really nicely displayed in the dash, and it's all controlled from the MMI unit just down here. So we've got navigation, we've also got the telephone as well, all Bluetooth connectivity of course, which leads us nicely onto the radio, DAB, FM and AM, and then the media as well. So you've got a jukebox function, you can put it SD functionality, or the CD, or Bluetooth as well. So there's a number of different inputs for that. And then if we go to the main menu, it's really easy to navigate around using the MMI controls down near the gear lever. So there's the CD player and the SD slots just there. So it's got the uprated navigation as well, which is not SD card, it's all in the hard drive unit, which is an added benefit as you've got 2 spare SD card slots. Just down here we've got hill descent. There's also the AUDI drive select function as well, which you won't be able to see as the car is switched off on there. But if we just quickly come over to the trip computer, we've got comfort, auto and dynamic, and also individual as well. So you can individually set things like the steering rate, the throttle response and the way the gearbox behaves as well. Dual zone climate control with heated front seats as well. And then we've got the electromechanical parking brake. This does have a intelligent key, so it is effectively start stop button there, and the key just pushes in there, and to put the ignition on you just push it in one way, so that's really useful. And then we've got radio volume, and this is the MMI unit just here. And then if we look on the dash as well, there's also some separate tweeters for the Bang & Olufsen unit. This car having just one owner, it is absolutely immaculate. And just to explain the sunroof, just try and get that up there. There we go. So you've got a twist for the various different sunroof settings and how far back it is. And these 2 buttons here will bring the blind forward and backwards as well. Okay, so we've covered most of the interior. There's definitely a lot to go through as this car is so highly specified. But just to cover of the few exterior parts, it's in the rare but incredibly attractive colour of the Suzuka Grey. So it is effectively an off-white, but makes the car really stand out. And something that really helps that is the black styling pack as well. So you can see that the grille is black, the mirror caps, door surrounds and roof rails are also in black as well. That overall look is helped by the 20-inch twin spoke off-road design alloys. So they're all diamond cut and look absolutely fantastic. So that pretty much sums up the specification of the S-Line Plus Special Edition. All Quattro Tech cars come with 6-month warranty, including 6-month roadside assistance. There's MOT upon arrival for any applicable cars, and a comprehensive mechanical check as well. Please do not hesitate to get in contact with us so we can explain how we're currently facilitating safe, socially distanced appointments, test drives and viewings. Thank you very much.